set the pace when I'm running. I always take what I want and I always give it 100. Don't need a bank, no I'm funded. Play the game like it's nothing. I'm always thankful for something. Don't take for granted, stay humble. Now wake up! It's time to look at the enemy. Look in the mirror if he is no friend to me. It's not working out, maybe it's the chemistry. It's time to break up so I can make a better me. Better believe in your mind, cause it's everything.
Hello to all the amazing Walking Tour Hani supporters. Today we're heading to one of the most beautiful cities in Iran, Shiraz, the city of poetry, flowers, and vibrant street life. In this video, we start from the historic Quran Gate and walk deep into the heart of Shiraz's busy streets and markets. Step by step, I'll take you through the real experience of everyday life in Iran, from crowded sidewalks to local vendors, from the scent of fresh bread to the vibrant spices of the Shiraz Bazaar. This isn't just a walking tour, it's a raw, urban documentary of Iran in 2025. This is where you see the real Iran, up close and unfiltered. We pass through local neighborhoods, street scenes, and traditional bazaars, watching people shop, talk, and live their daily lives. This is the real rhythm of Iranian street life, and it's happening now. If you're curious about Iran's local markets, walking in Iranian cities, cultural street scenes, urban documentaries, and want to understand how Iranians live today, you're in the right place. At Walking Tour Hani, I aim to show Iran from a human and realistic perspective. Not what the news shows, but what the streets say. This channel is still small, but with your support, it can grow. Don't forget to subscribe if you enjoyed this walking tour. Please hit the like button. That tiny click helps YouTube show this video to others interested in Iran street walks, local life, traditional bazaars, and city culture. Drop a comment and tell me, which city should we walk through next? Isfahan, with its historic bridges, Tehran's Valias Street, Tabriz, and its Grand Bazaar, or maybe southern Iran near the Persian Gulf? By watching this video, you're stepping right into the real lives of Iranians, their streets, culture, and everyday reality, without scripts, without filters. If you're looking for a genuine experience of Iran street life, walking in Iran, local Iranian lifestyle, and authentic city vibes, this is where it begins. Join Walking Tour Hani as we explore Iran, one city, one street, one story at a time.
بچه ها بیا
بیاین یاسین
var panker.
Can olaydı, sözü deyildi. Əlində 8-in heç kəs mədrəsəyə razı deyil getmişdələr. Elə hər yer şükürlərə bayram.
Aynen bir bağımı da. Aynen bir bağımı da.
Keşke.